These are geoboards. Geoboards are used with rubber bands. Rubber bands are used as tools, not toys. There are two different cards you can choose from. One is green. Green uses one rubber band and is easier. White is more difficult or hard and uses more than one rubber band. The way you do it is you create the picture in the card. So I'm going to take my rubber band and I'm going to stretch it across to match the board to the card. I can see that here's the bottom row. Here's the bottom row. There's no rubber band on that part. I can see the next row has a rubber band across it. So I'm going to start there. I'm going to put rubber band and stretch it all the way across. Now I have the bottom row part done. Now I can see it goes up on the sides. So I'm going to take just the top part and I'm going to stretch it up. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. Stretch it up. Now I have the bottom, the sides. Now I need the top. I need to figure out how high it goes. It goes up 1, 2 rows from the bottom. Watch again. Here's the bottom of the house. It goes up 1, 2 and hooks up there. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to count up 1, 1, 2 from the bottom. Here's the bottom. I count up 1, 2. So I need to get my rubber band up to there. I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to pull it up to there. And now I'm going to take a look at my card and my picture. Did I do a good job? Thank you. Let's try another one. I'm going to start out. I take off my rubber band safely, one part at a time. Taking it off safely. I'm going to take my card, put it at the bottom. I can see it goes across the bottom row, and it goes across 1, 2, 3 triangles, or dots. So I'm going to put it across 1, 2, 3 dots at the bottom. Then it goes up 1 and over to the side. Up 1, over to the side. So I'm going to go up and over. Up and over. Now to make the last part, it goes 1, 2 rows up, and it's 1, 2, 3 dots across. 1, 2 up. 1, 2, 3 dots across. So I need to stretch it up to there. See if it matches. Good. Now let's try 2 rubber bands. I'm going to use 1 rubber band for the orange, 1 rubber band for the purple. I'm going to put the orange one across the bottom first. Then I can see it goes up 1 and across 3. Up 1 and across 3. Now my orange part is done. Now I'm going to add my purple part. I can see it starts at the top, 1, 2, 3 across the top. So I'm going to add my rubber band across the top first. Across, 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to stretch it down 1, 2, 3 dots down from the top. 1, 2, 3, all the way down here. Take a look. Did I make my hat? Yes, I did. Then I take it off safely. And that is how you do a safe geoboard. This is pattern blocks. You build the picture first. Find the color and the shape that matches. Put your picture together, one piece at a time, making sure that you take the time to get every shape in its exact spot. I have the fin of my fishy all the way done. Now I can add the body. Yellow, yellow, green, 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 yellow, yellow. Now let's add the fins. One fin at the bottom, one fin at the top. Now let's add the head. Taking my time, making sure I get all my pieces right. There, my fishy is complete. Now that my fishy is finished, now I'm going to count how many I used. I'm going to look for the trapezoid shape. It's the red trapezoid. I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I write 6. I count hexagons. 1, 2, 3, 4. I write 4 hexagons. I look for squares. I don't see any squares, so I see 0 squares. I look for rhombus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I don't know how to write 11. I'm going to find my number strip and find 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now I know 11. I'm going to put it next to my rhombus. Diamonds. These are the white diamonds. I don't see any skinny white diamonds. Triangles. These are the green triangles. I look and see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 triangles. I'm not sure how to write a 10. I'm going to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I write 10 triangles, 0 diamonds. When I'm all finished, I use 2 hands, one hand on one side, one hand on the other side, and I pick them both up and dump it back in the bucket. This is the shape game. It has little people, a spinner, and a game board. When you start, each person picks one character and puts it on the house for starting. Your job is to go all the way around the track and to the school. The first one to the school wins. Rochambeau to see who goes first. Rock, paper, or scissors. If the boy won, if this player won, then they would spin. It stopped on the blue star. This character would move until the first blue star and say, blue star. Next person spins. They move to their shape and say, orange hexagon. Spin the shape. This player moves again and goes to the next spot. If they don't know what that shape is, they can ask their partner, what shape is that? And their partner can say, that's a black square. And then this player would say, black square. Spin again. This player moves, goes to the first spot. I don't know that shape. What is that shape? This player can say, that's a blue star. This player would say, blue star. And then they get to stay there. This player spins again. They move to their next shape. A red circle. Play continues with players each taking a turn and going all the way around the board. When it comes to the end, whoever wins, we show good sportsmanship and we say, good game. Again, we say, good game. And then you reset. And whoever won, if this player won the last game, then this player would go first this game. You are expected to play by the rules and play with good sportsmanship in your game. Have fun!